So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and guys also follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, once again, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on GBPUSD. We all know last week we did analysis right for the week on GBPUSD, and we said we will be expecting a bearish move, which eventually the market gave us the bearish move. Now this week we will be expecting a bullish move on GBPUSD. Why are we going to be expecting that bullish move is what we are going to be analyzing right now. Remember, only hoping for the buy, only going for the bullish move for the week if you get the buy setup. If you can't find the buy setup, it will be best to do not take the trade. But once you get the buy setup, go ahead and take the trade. Now let's start with this trend right here. We are going to start from this movement. Let's zoom it out. What can you say the trend is on your GBPUSD? It is very simple, right? As ABC, the trend on GBPUSD is an uptrend move. It is on a bullish move. This is our trend on GBPUSD. The full trend on GBPUSD is an uptrend move. It is very much bullish move. Now let's take a look at what market is doing currently right here. This is the impulsive move that market did give us, right? We first had this multiple rejection zone, which is double bottom, right? Which indicates a reversal movement because previous market was dropping. The market did give us this reversal movement, which is a double bottom, which made market to push up, right? Then we had this corrective phase. Now, remember within this impulsive move that market did, which was a push up, there was a series of higher high and an higher low playing out, which is on the forward time frame. Now, this is the corrective phase that market did give us again, which is a series of lower low and a lower high that market did give us, right? Now, market was able to push up again to form another impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Now, market has been able to pull back, right? Give us a corrective phase, which when you go to your daily time frame or your forward time frame, you will see a series of lower low and a lower high. Now, we will be expecting another impulsive move, which is going to be giving us a series of higher high and an higher low till it is able to push us. So this is to tell you that we will be anticipating for a bullish move on our GBP USD. Now let's go down to the daily time frame right here. So you know that I told you guys that there's a series of lower low and lower high, especially on this pullback phase, which is on the weekly time frame. As you can see it on the daily time frame, you can see lower low and lower high, which is very much more visible again on your forward time frame. Also, you can see lower low and lower high. But back to our daily time frame right here. So we see this to be our first import high, higher high, and we take a look at this to be our higher low, right? You also see this to be our higher high also, and now this is an higher low. This is our higher low. Our next movement on GBPUSD will be another bullish move that should form another higher high, thereby taking out this high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our GBPUSD. So if you are not yet in the buy, right, going for the buy because we will be anticipating for more movement to the outside on our GBP USD. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. This is it right here. Market is now rejecting. So you can wait for a confirmation for market to break above this weekend, thereby giving us a change in character. You all know that market is trending to downside. As you can see, lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high. So you can wait patiently for market to push up and give us a change of character. If market did then give us a change of character, you can now wait for your pullback and then going for the buy and hold your buy because markets will continue to push up. So by the way, this week is going to be a bullish move for us. Make sure you stay updated so you will not miss out on any updates. And also subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.